Hey guys, Tejas here from Tejas Kathuria Tech, and today I'll be telling you how to make your iPhone much faster through RAM cleaning. Before getting started, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so for the iPhones, having the physical home button or the virtual home button, they have to just go to the power menu by pressing the power button for at least 3 seconds or 5 seconds. And now you will see a power menu popping up. After that, just press the home button for a couple of seconds until you see the lock screen, and after that just simply unlock your phone. And now your after that now your iPhone's RAM is has been successfully cleaned. Now for the iPhones not having the home button, they have to first go to settings and now scroll down until you see accessibility. Now just click on assistive touch and simply enable it. Now you will see assistive touch on the side of your screen. Now just simply go to the power menu by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. Now click on the assistive touch and press the home button, and then you will see your lock screen, and after that simply unlock your iPhone. Now you have successfully cleaned your RAM of your iPhone. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you got any knowledge from this video, then do consider liking this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace.